Here you have our Eagle T20CF carton erector. Currently we have a right hand lead carton set up in this machine, which is set up for left hand lead cartons. In order to run this carton, we simply had to flip the carton upside down. This is something that can be switched very easily by contacting your corrugator and have them flip the way the carton's printed. Go ahead. We also only received a couple carton samples. So, we weren't able to run all that many. I can tell you that this particular carton is not cut, glued, scored, etc. for a machine such as this. If we take a carton and simply fold it by hand, you see, just by folding the minors, they're already touching one another. Same with the majors. There needs to be some relief there. You need nice even scoring, glue lines that are straight. We know that the carton size itself can run in this machine. Again, it just needs to be configured better for, even that right there, yeah. It needs to be configured for an automated type of equipment like this. We'll move on to the next size. Alright, this is the second carton that we received. Carton labeled sausage. This carton is a left-hand lead carton, so no changes were needed in order to run it in the machine. Also very similar to the first carton. Again, just not really cut, scored, and glued for a production style machine like this, but the size of the carton does run. We only received 5 carton samples total, so we're just going to run 1 or 2 through it. Go ahead. Go ahead and grab this one out of here. Excuse me as I'm doing this video myself. Can you fold this one again like we did the last one? Thank you. Definitely better than the first carton, but could use some improvement in order to run better. We're going to move on to the third carton. Alright, and we have carton number 3. I'm not going to spell that. Say it out loud, I should say, so I'll spell it S-P-I-E-D-I-E. Carton 22119-001. This is the largest of the 3. This is currently a left-hand lead carton. So again, no changes were needed there. Go ahead. Again, because we only received a couple carton samples, I wasn't able to run more than 1 through at a time. This one actually ran through pretty decent. Generally, if your tolerances aren't as tight on a larger carton, it's going to be a little easier for it to accommodate. Let me show you with this one over here. This is one of the 5 that we received. So you can see the glue line. Starts very narrow, opens up quite a bit. So not straight at all. See how the flaps are different lengths. So there is, and also where that's cut and scored versus over here for the relief. There's absolutely no way this carton would ever run on a machine such as this. It's just going to be problematic. Folding it by hand. You can see as I fold that minor. So this is pretty much what I come up with folding it by hand. So The positive is that all 3 cartons that were sent size-wise will fit. The medium and large carton, no change is needed to the print. The small carton needs to be changed from right-hand lead to left-hand lead. And then, truthfully, just having these cartons trued up for a production machine such as this versus hand taping, and you'd have a really nice machine.